Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can actually go ahead and make your account private on Instagram Threads. Now it's actually very easy to do, but make sure to watch this video all the way through guys, because I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to do this. So first of all, head over to the Threads app for the first step, and you're going to want to head over to your profile section, which should be located at the top right hand corner. Click it, and when you do, it should look a little something just like this. Now at the top right hand corner, there's going to be like a long line and a mini long line. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on it at the top right hand corner. It's going to give you the settings page, and when you come across the settings here, you're going to want to navigate to the privacy setting. And when you do that, the very first option here in privacy is going to be the private profile option. Now, if we want to make our profile private on Instagram Threads, we essentially have to do is just toggle this on right here. It's going to say switch to private account or private profile, and all you got to do is click OK, and pretty much anyone that does try to follow you, you will have to approve, so your account will be private. So basically, that's how you go ahead and create a private profile or a private account on Instagram Threads. It's very easy and very simple. So if you did find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment down below if it worked, and I will see you all until next time.